with you.
All right, folks. Hey, the one big happy family, we're at it again. We're falling into fall. Now, what that means is you could take any inspiration you have for the fall, right? Fall goes from, September through just over mid-December. And whatever you're doing, let it reflect. Now, me, myself, what I'm doing right here, because I'm giving this to you on October 3rd, I figure, hey, let's get some Oktoberfest going. So what I'm doing, I'm making some German meatloaf. Well, I made it, right? You'll see the video tomorrow, right? But I made it, and I'm going to eat it, okay? It's a false hare, if you will. A fake rabbit, right? But all it is meatloaf, right? Disguised like a roast rabbit. And this is what you got. I know you saw the thumbnail. I'm about to get into it. Hey, this is gonna be delicious. I hope you've enjoyed all the premieres up to this point. The people before me. Hope you enjoy the people after me. We just have a good time enjoying each other's fellowship, and I hope you enjoy it while you're watching this. Okay? Hey, I gotta get to it. Let's get to the food. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. The band's down just a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's perfect right there. Okay. Can you give me a beer, please? Woman, you're supposed to be assistant. Assist me.
Cameraman don't bring beer. Maybe they just
Cameraman do bring beer. I bring beer to myself all the time. Then what am I? You better have to say something. What?
Peter is what it is.
What?
Peter, that's what.
How am I Peter? What the? I ain't no pain in the ass. You pain in the ass. I'm gonna put this in the video too, so you can see how you treat me. You want to bet? Yeah, don't be. Yeah, got you. You've been cursing this whole time. Now I gotta move and... Okay, so let's get into this. So, fall is here. You know, it's time to enjoy Halloween, right? The Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown, right? And the starting of the 25 Days of Christmas is gonna be coming up pretty soon. And by the way, there's only 80-something days left until Christmas. So if you need to save up, save up. Thanksgiving, hey, you're gonna get your grub on, right? And then for us vets, you know, we got Veterans Day coming up. For us Scorpios, you know, hey, November's gonna be good. So yeah, one big happy family. We're putting this together. We're falling into fall. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Got my little piece of gravy here. I'm gonna spin this around because bacon wrapped meatloaf. This is a German dish. Pork, ground beef, wrapped in bacon with an egg in the middle. Delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit of gravy on this. Oh yeah. Man. Got the blue can in hand. We ready. Get some of this egg and bacon, meatloaf. But what I'm not getting ready for the fall and even in winter for that matter, the cold weather, I'm a heat miser. Okay? I like it warm. Keep that cold weather away from me. Sometimes I wish I was like my turtles, right? When they get too cold, they'll go to sleep for the winter and they won't wake up until the spring. If I could do that, I would totally do that. Now, with the electric boogaloo out there, I don't know how they're gonna do Halloween this year. I know some places, you know, they're opening up. Some of them got out of control rules, right? I can understand you need to wear your mask. Okay, makes sense. But when you go to an amusement park and they tell you because of you know, the electric boogaloo, because it's out there, you can't scream. Come on, really? You're doing too much. But that's just my opinion. I love these little things here. I'm gonna use them for Thanksgiving, watch me. Wouldn't be the first time. So this collab or event, or even a series of events, and this is being put together, produced, if you will, by Trips himself, BigBelly Bob, and Miss Shan, right? They're putting it together so we all can enjoy some fellowship with one another. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. And do I need a knife to cut this meatloaf? I don't. It's just habit. It's just habit. I can't stop. This is not going to be a long video. It's just to say, welcome to the fall, right? If it's too cold where you're at, bundle up. Now for me, through the majority of the fall and the winter, it's going to average in them. I believe it is normally averages in, you know, in the 70s and 80s. At night, it can drop down to the 30s, but during the active times of the day, it's, I mean, it's not as warm as I'd like it to be, but it's not freezing cold. Mama Shaw, she's not a fan because she has the feeling that if it's winter in the fall, it should be freezing. There should be snow on the ground. You know, you should be really bundled up. Heater should be, you should be contemplating whether to turn the heater on or not. But me, if it drops below 75 degrees, I'm turning the heater off. Sorry, not sorry. I need the heat. The combination of the beef and the pork. Man. And then the chicken. Whoa. So if you're not ready for the fall, let nature take its course. Relax, close your eyes, fall into it. Now I'm gonna finish eating this. I hope you enjoy the holidays, the relaxation that may be coming to you here pretty soon within the coming weeks. Or better yet, make some time for yourself, right? Just relax. Even if it's only 20 minutes, just relax. Enjoy the fall. Bundle up. Watch some cool videos. And for 20 minutes, don't think about nothing but positivity. Now, what you do after that 20 minutes, that's all you. That being said, I'm going to finish eating this. Enjoy the rest of the premieres. I'll have a playlist at the bottom in the description box so you can catch up with everybody before me. And if the premieres are done, there'll also be the people that were after me. Watch them all. Don't miss anything. I don't think you'll regret it. Good people, good views, good ideas. That being said, I'm Shrashira. I'm out.
Baby, remember